understand art cinema, and it has to be nominated only for Oscars. This is a scene at our FGA client's office. Typical day.
Oh my god, this system is so slow. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I just have to give this girl a call. I just need to tell Reena that, it's really slow and it's just not for me. Hello, Reena? One second. Hello.
The mic.
Hello.
Mic.
Reena, I have a problem with this system.
What happened?
Reena is just really slow and I think I can't work on this. I think you just need to come here.
You know what, I'm in a meeting right now. Just give me about an hour's time, I'll be there in your office.
Are you
Okay,
sure?
okay, one second. I think there might be traffic now. I might take about 2 hours to get there. Hope that's okay with you.
Come here in half an hour.
Okay.
What happened?
I have no idea, man. You know the city now. They always have some problem with that young man.
Not again. Okay. Come back.
Hi, Jeanette.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
I'm not too good. What happened? Look at this. It's so slow. I don't know what to do with this. I can't work like this.
Have you checked your internet connection?
Yes,
I
I
think
have.
that may be down.
I have. You see Bloomberg, you see FuseWire, all the money plants working here, everything's working fine.
I don't know, what's the exact problem that you have? Like, can you tell me what's the problem so I could, give you the solution exactly for that particular problem?
I can't find any news.
You know, the editorial team works really hard to write 9 Bibles a day and you can't find it.
I'm very sure they do, but if I could find anything, then it's worth my time.
I can do one thing. I can send you a page which has all the search codes in it. You just need to key in that code and you get exactly what you need.
I have all the codes anyway.
Right.
It's just so drab, it's so boring, it's not multimedia. I don't have, connecting links or I need more. I can't work with this. I need more.
We have the smileys on Reuters Messenger now.
I don't think so.
You know what? We're actually, it's work in progress. I'm not supposed to tell this to you, but since you're one of our esteemed clients, I'll tell you this. Yeah, we have something, in the works which is meant just for you. I mean, for the 20-somethings who really want something that's uber cool. But that may take some time. I'm not too sure. I'll have to get back to you on how much time. Yeah, I mean, just about 3 months, if it's okay with you?
No. I can just give you a month. That's
A month.
Because see, I've been using Reuters since a very long time. I really don't want to end my relationship on a bad note. If you can give me something better,
I know we're a 150-year-old product, so I'm sure you will.
That is true. My grandfather used it.
I know, you've been really loyal. Your grandfather used it too. Okay. I'll try to do it in a month's time, like 1 month, and we'll come to you with something that's really meant just for you.
Okay, I'll be waiting.
Sure, thanks.
Thank you.
See you later. Hi. You know what? This city, as usual, has a problem. What happened to that new product which you were mentioning? What's the update on that?
1 second. I have to book a movie ticket.
Come on, man. 25 terminals in Hyderabad movie tickets. 25 terminals? Obviously, you might have a pay cut this time. Tell me what's happening.
Oh shit, what are you saying? What happened? Tell me.
See, basically, she wants a multimedia product. She wants to be able to chat with her friends. She wants to get everything at the click of her finger. She wants something that's, very innovative, easy to search. I mean, I had seen some presentation in our office last time which said we are coming up with a product which has everything. I just wanted to know what's happening.
Even I heard about it. I think there is a conference call.
I'm the core team which is developing that product. Yeah, what's wrong with you?
Yeah, so there's a conference call today, and then we'll have 2-3 meetings during the day. So I think by 10 o'clock in the night, I should be able to give you an update. The client has given me exactly 1 month, and that's all you'll get. We have to
to go to her office exactly 1 month later and deliver that product to her. Whatever you want to do, you can do. 1 month later. Hi, Janelle. I met you 1 month back and you mentioned everything that you need. We've come up with the Thomson Reuters icon, and meet my sales specialist.
First time we are meeting.
Absolutely.
And I'm so delighted to see you. How have you been?
Amazing.
Telling me that you've had lots of problems with the terminals, but I have come to give you a fun time solution. So presenting Icon, the first ever product in the history of trading in the world.
Oh my god. Seriously?
Yes, let me show you its features.
Yeah, please come.
Yes.
See, this is the interface. Isn't it much more cooler than...
Absolutely. Yeah. Oil falls for the second day. Wow. Yeah.
Okay. What is this type?
Really? Oh my god. This is awesome.
Does it answer all your solutions? All your problems?
I need something more interactive, more multimedia,
Insider.
You know what you can do with this? If there is a story that you see and you want to post a comment on it, you can post a comment. And you can see what the others are saying.
Are you serious?
It's like a complete interactive. So it's not like you're reading a story and forgetting about it. You can discuss it. It's like a forum that is created.
You mean like Facebook?
Yes.
Tell us about Insider also.
Oh yeah. We have also launched Reuters Insider, and you can see videos of top company officials, government officials who will give insightful information about market moving information.
Wow, that's amazing. You mean that team led by Gautam Srinivasan and and I've also heard about something called Trading India. Nishan.
We will give you a free trial, 1 month trial for Trading India, and a lot of people have started making intelligent conversations on the chat room so that they are picked up for good jobs. That's
I know, but if I go let them finish.
I know.
So, what do you have to say of this new product now? I mean, are you willing
When
to
can I
buy it?
have it? I want it right now.
As soon as you give the check, we can deliver it.
Credit card लेते हैं आप. So, what's the penalty? How much is it for?
It's only for dollars.
That's it? Only for $8?
Of course, you can. In fact, I would suggest that you can get rid of Bloomberg, FuseWire, and all the money plans that you
Yeah,
have.
they're all gone. Just send it here.
So this is a one-time solution for all your problems.
Yeah, I mean, do hell with Bloomberg and FuseWire. I don't like that anyway. I want this.
So, icon.
You are my icon.